Na-experience nyo na rin ba na yung I-beam, nakatabi yung CHB wall, nagkakaroon ng water seepage? That's because hindi dumidikit ang konkreto sa bakal. Ano pa ba? Na-experience nyo na rin ba sa mga roof deck, tapos ka na mag-waterproofing. Tapos, biglang may problema ka. Hindi pala naka-waterproof na maayos yung corner joints. Na hindi pala maayos yung pagkalapat ng drain or na-seal ng maayos. So, paano natin yung sosolvin? So, ano naman ang flashing tape? So, from the word flashing, again, it will prevent any water from going through the joint. So, basically, meron lang siyang backing na may adhesive para dumikit. Basically, a flashing tape is composed of three materials. No? Very simple. Facer, and then yung adhesive, and at the same time yung release liner. Here at Buildrite, gusto namin introduce sa inyo si Stopgap NW. Ito yung butyl flashing tape na non-woven. So basically, this is paintable. Yung isa naman ay si Stopgap AF. This is a butyl flashing tape that has an aluminum backing. Hindi siya paintable dahil gusto mo magkaroon ng magandang heat reflection. Ayan, para hindi mainit yung bubong natin o kung saan mo siya gagamitin. Basically, you can use Stopgap NW. Ilalagay lang natin siya sa corner joint and then pinturahan natin. Ayan, yung pinakamaganda ron, no? Siya, kailangan nyo pala tandaan, ha? Yung Stopgap NW, hindi pwedeng hindi pinturahan pag nasa outdoor. Kailangan talaga pinturahan. Kung hindi tatagal po yung non-woven natin.